Okay, for this problem, what I'm seeing is they're asking us to come up with a confidence interval. It's a 99.9% confidence interval, and I'm not seeing any kind of mean or standard deviation thing. So, and they're telling me it's the estimated population proportion. So I know this is about proportions. So I'm going to, Grossman Chance is such a great applet. I've been hoping, it says they only want to, how many decimal places? 3 decimal places. I'm going to see if I can get 3 decimal places out of this applet. So it's a proportion. I have, oh heck, let's see here. Lost my, here we go. So n's 251, and there's not the number of towns in Vermont. 105. Whoops, not 1,000. That'll give me an error. There's p hat, and then we're going to come up with a confidence interval, and I'm going to tell it that I want a 99.9% confidence interval, and that's giving me certainly more than 3 decimal places. Not percentages. Okay, so I think we should be okay to do this. In fact, I'm going to try to be lazy and copy and paste that right in, and to show the answer. Let's see if it takes it. It did. Pretty easy, huh? So what this is doing, it's taking, because it's 99.9%, and if you think of the empirical rule, way back, in chapter, what was that, chapter 7, we know that 99.7% of a distribution will fall within 3 standard deviations. I mean, we're a little bit beyond that, so that tells me that I'm going a little bit more than 3 standard deviations of the sampling distribution either side of the mean. But notice I don't have to calculate that. I mean, the applet works. I mean, the software does this, folks. The important part is to be able to interpret it. Now, granted, in a problem like this, there's not much interpretation we can do. What's happening on November 8th, that's all, and the polls that are happening that's all confidence interval work. And after I make this weeks available, we'll talk about it. And then, of course, I'm recording this in fall 2016, so it's the election's coming up. So, all right, hope this helps you.